It's baseball night in Cleveland, but we weren't talking about the tribe. We were talking about Westlaw. So let's give you a brief recap of the three concepts that we covered. In the world of Westlaw navigation, we looked at pulling up certain types of sources like Ohio cases, right? Typing it in, mousing it over, and then clicking on it will allow you to search that particular source instead of everything on Westlaw. Return to the home page by clicking on the logo. Here we are from Westlaw. The next thing we looked at was the jurisdiction. So it says Ohio State and Fed. Click on it, check the boxes. So maybe if we're just looking at state law in Ohio or state law in Iowa, right? Check the box and hit save, and you'll notice how it shows up differently. Let's go back into Ohio and include related federal, because that'll be relevant for a speedy trial problem. But tonight we looked at dog bites. Dog bites. You're going to see all sorts of great things on that left-hand side menu: cases, trial court orders, and statutes. From the statutes, we noticed that history graphical statute is going to give you that gorgeous graphical view so that way you know what the elements were on a particular date. And the notes of decisions are going to break down the cases based on particular issues in the case. Within citing references, you'll see that there's 68 pieces of law on Westlaw that cite to this statute 955-28, and we can get there either from these citing references, or if we go back under history, you'll see our search history. And from the secondary source itself, scroll down to secondary sources, view all, we can filter it down to Ohio secondary sources and see the same things. So we'll see that damages recoverable is certainly a good starting point. From here, the table of contents allows us to divvy out and notice, hey, there's common law grounds, there's statutory grounds, and that table of contents, again, gives us kind of the full picture, and within the secondary source, footnotes the relevant cases. And those cases and the citing references are going to take us where? Back to the practice guide. It's like how it's all connected in the circle of life. All right, back to the home page, and one final thing, which is where to go with additional questions. That contact us button down here, or training and support, will connect you to your account management team for custom training, the reference attorneys, and customer and technical support. Additionally, because folks had questions about the Boolean search, there's going to be advanced search and field search. Going to list all that info right there. Even more YouTubes and guides and whatnot. So please drop us a line if you need me help to you. Thanks for coming to class tonight. Look forward to talking with you again sometime. Bye.